Hello. So here's a canvas that I'm really just not too crazy about. So I thought I would do one for my bathroom. And we were out of power for the last couple days because of the ice storm in Oklahoma. And we had these water bottles that had just 3 grooves. And I thought, how fun would that be? So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. So let's get started. I'm gonna use a pale yellow background this time. And I've made it actually rather thin. It looks like it thickened up a little. I don't want to see any mound in it. So we're gonna thin it just a little. In this case, we want our base paint to be thinner than the rest of our paints. So we basically want it to go, I don't know why I'm going that way. We want it to go just right back into the paint, no mound. See how that's nice and thin? So that's how we're gonna roll today. I'm finding my middle. Now I'm going for a pansy kind of like flower. So this is an ultraviolet marine blue that I've mixed some metallic blue in with it for a little shimmer. Now I'm not going for any lacing of any kind. Boy, that looks like a mess, doesn't it? Spray my paper towel, just get a little damp. I know it sounds like a lot that I'm spraying, but I have this tiny little sprayer. So I sprayed it just to get it damp, and really it's just enough to make it soft. Okay, so I have a little, it's not lined up properly. So let's line it up. Well, I don't know. I thought I had it. I thought I had it lined up straight up and down. I did. It was that way. So let's do it this way. Can you see that little air pocket right there? This is what we mean when we want the whole paper towel to touch the paint. So you just barely tap it, just like that. See? And now it's touching the paint. So you want to just gently touch and make sure that it's all touching. And straight up. Ooh. Okay. We did get that little blob. Where'd that marker go? I am getting some lacing. Probably because I added that. We're going to let it sit for a minute. In the meantime, I'm going to add some of the yellow back. Oh, look how pretty it is. Looks like a square pansy. Oh, crap. Okay. I like it though. I think it's a really pretty flower.